This is Hisense 182DR. This is how it looks on the outside. It's a fast cooling refrigerator. It has double doors. This is the refrigerator compartment. You can see the space. It's large enough to take enough food items and keep them frozen for a long period of time. This is the refrigerator compartment. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has a timer also and a light. This is the basket where you can put fresh things. It helps keep your items fresh for a long period of time. This item comes with 1 year warranty. Very suitable for home use. You can get this item at Zit Electronics store at a very cheap and friendly price.